This AI trading strategy has now made over 3000% in profit. And in today's video, you will learn how to get and use it step by step. And this right here is such an impressive tool. This is basically some pre-built investing strategies inside InvestingPro. So if you buy InvestingPro, and by the way, I do have a special link. It's right now more than 55% off. The link is both in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. If you get InvestingPro, you will not only get access to Warren AI, but you will also get access to all of these ideas and all of these pre-built trading strategies. And one of the absolute best performing investing strategies is this one right here called Tech Titans. As you can see, if we scroll down a bit here, you can see that the total return of this strategy is almost 3000%. And if we compare it with the S&P 500, we have an outperformance of around 2500% and an annualized return of 30%. You know, these numbers here are actually insane, especially if you remember when we talked about compound interest. If you manage to do an annualized return of 30%, you know, if you keep this up over years, you know, maybe 10 years or 20 years, the returns will be absolutely amazing. But as you can see here, you can see the performance, amazing performance. And you can also, if we scroll down here, you can see the picks history. So you can see what stocks the AI bought and what stocks the AI sold. I'm not sure if I can show, you know, everything here, but I can show a little bit here. You can see, for example, it just recently added the stock Applied Materials. It added the stock Adobe and the stock EPAM. And here, if you go to portfolio, you can see all of the, you know, current picks in the strategy. And you can also see all of the important metrics. So you can see the market cap, dividend, you know, PE ratio, price to book, and so on and so on. So you can see all of the metrics, basically the reasons why these stocks were picked. You also have a fair value. So a fair value in simple terms is, you know, a value calculated on different financial metrics to find out what the stock is actually worth, or that is an easy way to think about it. And InvestingPro's AI have one way to calculate fair value. Another simplified way to calculate fair value is to look at the targets of analysts, and based on this we can actually get, you know, an upside. So how much do we expect the stock to go up? So for example, if we look at Adobe, based on InvestingPro's fair value, we can see that we have a 64.2% upside, and based on the fair value of analysts, we have a 37.2% upside. You can see here we get estimations on how undervalued the stock is. But this is just scratching the surface, because we have many metrics on risks, we have many metrics on returns, how efficient are the companies. And also if you go to this health tab, you can see, you know, how healthy is the company in different categories. If you are a nerd like me, you can really dive deep using InvestingPro. And you know, if we go back here to ProPicks, as I said, this strategy right here is just one of many strategies. One sort of thing about this strategy right here is that yes, it is the best performing strategy that InvestingPro has currently, but it also has, you know, higher risk compared to many other strategies. So for example, if you're looking for maybe something with a little bit less risk, you might want to go down here to, for example, this strategy right here, which is called Beat the S&P 500. And as you can see, this strategy is basically picked from the S&P 500 and refined by AI. And this strategy studies all the 500 stocks in the S&P 500 index and then selects the elite 20 with the most likelihood to outperform the market. But yeah, ProPicks AI is also just a small part of everything InvestingPro has to offer. If you go to this idea tab right here, you can actually look up famous investors and basically copy their strategy. So for example, if you want to see what Warren Buffett is doing right now, Warren Buffett, you know, one of the most legendary investors of all time, you can simply go to ideas here and click on Warren Buffett, and just like that, you get to look inside his portfolio. What is Warren Buffett holding, how has his portfolio performed over the past, and so on and so on. And we can also go back here to ideas. You can see we can look at Bill Gates' portfolio. We can also, when we scroll down here, you might want to filter, so maybe you only want to look at billionaires. You can choose billionaires right there. And yeah, there are just so much to do here in InvestingPro. But yeah, combining AI with institutional grade data and tools can really be a way to beat the market over time, which this tech titan strategy shows us right here. And yeah, guys, if you want to get access to these pre-made AI investing strategies and the premium AI chatbot and all the stuff InvestingPro has to offer, I actually have a special link. If you look down in the description or the pinned comment, you will find the link. And to claim the sale, you basically click on the link right here, and this window right here will come up. You press accept, and to learn a little bit more about InvestingPro, I actually recommend that you check out this page right here. So as I said, you can get stocks picked by AI, you can look at billionaire portfolios, you can find undervalued stocks and the Warren AI chatbot, and so on and so on. I recommend to take a quick look at what people are saying about InvestingPro and basically do your own research. And when you have decided, you simply click on claim sale right here. And now the question becomes, should you choose the Pro version or the Pro Plus version? Well, this really depends on your budget and how much you plan to use InvestingPro. One of the bigger differences here is that on the Pro version, you get 50 Warren AI credits per month, while on the Pro Plus version, you get 500 per month. So if you plan to use their premium chatbot a lot, the Pro version might not be enough. However, a good thing about the Pro version is that yes, you only get 6 AI investing strategies, but the good thing here is that it includes the best performing strategy here, the tech titans. So that is a good thing about the Pro version. However, if you want to get access to all 88 different investing strategies, the Pro Plus version is the way to go. So when it comes to Pro or Pro Plus, it's all about how much are you actually going to use this tool and how seriously are you taking investing. Another tip here is that if you want to get the full discount, the best offer here is if you buy 2 years. You can see if you buy 2 years, you save 50% right away. But you will also, if you click on claim offer here, you will see that you will also get my own discount code here applied on checkout. So you will basically get 50% off and then plus another 15% off. So before you check out, just double check that it says Mind Math Money right here. And then you just need to enter your email, and you can pay with PayPal or card or Google Play. And then you simply press terms and conditions and subscribe now. Alright, so far we have only been talking. This video was just a very short clip from our full AI investing course right here on YouTube. To access the full course, all you need to do is to click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you all over there very, very soon.